Hello, this is Flippin'Particles. D. Guess what, guys? I was just talking to my camera and it wasn't on. Because I'm missing a few brain cells. I killed way too many. So, we're going to go to the post office to see if it's open. I don't know if it's open or not because I know they're not delivering mail today. To save the carriers from freezing, but I do not know if it's actually open. So let's go for a ride. I'm also going to go down by the lake to see what's happening down there. I'm not going to get out of the car or anything crazy like that, but we'll just see what the lake looks like. So here we go. I'm going to turn my camera on. Okay, today is worse than yesterday. Let's see if I can get my window cleared off. Maybe not. Because the visibility is crap. I think it's like a quarter mile or so. But I'm going to the post office. And I've been out and about. I had to go to my storage unit, and the visibility on the way back from there was terrible. See, some spots it goes less than a quarter mile. So it's kind of blizzardy today. A little bit worse than yesterday. There's no school today. Oh, there's a crossing light is on the ground over there. I would show you, but a car just pulled up in my way. I saw a couple comments saying that it was yuck yuck in yesterday's video, but today it's a lot worse. Obviously, because it's blowing. I also went over to the 5-to-1 store today. See, it went right down to 0 for a second there, because the wind was blowing. It wasn't this bad it actually wasn't this bad when I went to the 5-to-1 store today after my stream, because I was looking for a charger for a dog collar that I got. One of the bark collars, and he let me find that. He helped me find it actually, and he didn't charge me for that because I already paid for the dog collar. And I picked up a couple other things that on $3 day that I can make a profit on. Well, that person doesn't know how to use a four-way stop. It's always super windy at the post office for some reason. Maybe it's because it's closer to the lake. Not Lake Michigan, Muskegon Lake. Maybe we should take a ride down to Lake Michigan. See what it looks like down there. One of the roads is probably closed. I'm pretty sure Beach Road will be closed. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow, and I'll just add it on this video. So I'll do 2 days in one video and post it on Wednesday or Thursday. See, look how blowy it is right here. I shall return. Oh my God, it's so windy out there. I lost my hat. I mean, I had my my hoodie hat on over the top of it, and I still lost it. I had to go chasing after it after I took my packages in, and it came back out and went after it. It's my Levi's hat. I had to go get it. It's my favorite hat. Okay. It's freaking cold. It's always really super windy by the post office. More windy than by my house. But that's what makes it really cold, is the wind. Now it's 0. It was 3 degrees at my house. Now it's 0 degrees. And the wind chill is freaking cold. Oh, let's go drive by the Black House for funsies. Just because I told you guys about it. There's not very many vehicles out, so makes the driving easier when you're all by yourself. No other cars at the traffic circle. There's so much snow. I mean, I cleaned some more of the snow out from inside my bumper, but there is so much snow in there because there's a plastic piece missing from the inside of the bumper. It's crazy. There's so much snow in there, or how much snow is in there. Is the library open? I don't think it's open. No, the library is not open. Like yesterday, I called my brother and I asked him if he was home, and he's not. He's in Lansing. He's not working, but he's in Lansing because, you know, you can't drive when the schools are closed. Because I keep forgetting to get a record album from him, because I need to test the record player. And he goes, "Go to the library and get one." I'm like, why would I do that when you have some? So, see, up here on my right is the Black House with the yellow trim. Right there is what I was talking about. It's pretty crazy. See that? Pretty crazy, isn't it? I mean, different strokes for different folks, you know. I would never paint my house black, but that's just me. drive or not. Oh, I'm not stopping at that stop sign. It's Blair Ice. Good thing there's nobody coming. And I don't see any cops around. Snow. There's snow rubbing on my tires in the back, apparently. When it's bumpy. See, this is like pure ice. U-Haul has some trucks like that for sale. Maybe I should buy one so I can do storage units. Nope, changed my mind. I mean, I'll do a storage unit if my brother does it with me. Or if there's one that just has a few items in it. I mean, you know, don't want to make too much work. And it's fun watching Wade's Ventures storage units, but what does he do with all that stuff? Oh my god. There's so much stuff. He gets it faster than he can sell it. Let's see if my camera makes it all the way down to the beach. To shorten my video, it's going to be an hour. I don't know what I did yesterday. Maybe I won't do. Maybe I'll just cut out what I did yesterday. The businesses are closed, but the bars are still open. And there's a lot of people at that bar. down for a few. I suppose the camera was getting hot because the heat was blowing on it too. But we're almost to Lake Michigan. I don't even know if you bother to see the lake because it's so blowy. Pretty sure that street would be closed because, yep, not only the drifting snow but the drifting sand. That road over there is usually closed in the winter. Because it's just along the beach and there's no houses, no people live there, so. Big icebergs out there. I had to turn the heat back on pretty quick soon here. Cool it down pretty quickly. See, that should be all water over there, but it's like all iced up and hilly. All the way out to the lighthouse out there. I don't know if you can see that, but that's supposed to be water. It's all frozen. Big hills of ice and snow. How far that goes out, but that's supposed to be water. On the other side of the snow fences, those hills, that's supposed to be Lake Michigan. Parking lot that you can go in over there, but it doesn't look like you can today. not going in there. Well, I showed you a little bit of it. There's no way in hell I'm getting out of my car to show more. Let's point the heat down by my feet. And she's blowing the snow out into the road. Thank you very much. So I'm gonna go do some RA at Meyer. But the thing is, I was buying shoes to send to Amazon when they were 40% off the clearance price. So now it's hard for me to buy stuff that's just at clearance price, you know, because I was buying them when they were 40% off the clearance price. So if I can find a better deal, I will still buy them. But if I have to buy them for just the regular clearance price, unless they're like 75% off clearance, then I would definitely get them. But I'm looking for something small and light that I can send in, and that'll sell, you know, pretty quickly. Like those tape things that I bought before Christmas, I sold like 300 of those things, and they sold fast. Made a lot of money off those, because that was like all those tape things were my highest payout. Because if you're buying something for 70 or 80 cents and selling them for 8, that's amazing. There's a cop hiding at the ice cream shop back there. Let's see if we can make it up this hill. My tires are pretty new, so I should make it up the hill. Maybe. Ooh. Made it. still have something that I got. Oh, oh my goodness. That was terrible. All these might be closed. Nope, they're open. Got a stop sign there. I shall return. Probably not today. Hey y'all. Y'all. I just said y'all. I just came out of Meijer. I didn't find what I was looking for. Wow, that truck is really close to me. I hope it didn't hit me. I didn't find what I was looking for at Aldi, so I didn't get anything. And I did get something at Meijer, but I'm not gonna say it right now because, you know, I want to be the first to list. One of the first. I don't want to flood myself with listings. Sorry. I'll tell you. I'll tell you if you send me an email. It's something that I got at Meijer. I was gonna buy them all, but then I did a little quick addition in my head, which I'm not good at, and it was over $200 for all of them. So I said, I'll just get a couple of each for now, and if they sell fast, I'll come back and get more. Because you know everything doesn't sell fast. Last week I was buying Chromecast audio, and those things sold lickety split. I'm gonna turn my camera around. They sold lickety split. Unfortunately, I could only find 4 of them. I even went to Grand Rapids looking, but somebody else knew that little tip. But as soon as I listed them, they either sold or I had a bunch of watchers. And one of them, I was just listening them one at a time, and one of them had a couple offers that I declined, and it didn't sell all night. And then the next day I unlisted it and relisted it, and it sold right away. But they were $15 last week. I think Meijer was just trying to get rid of them. They weren't on clearance. They were just like on sale for $20 off. They didn't have clearance stickers on them. They just said $20 off. That was great. I sold 4 of them like lickety split. It wasn't a wasted trip going around looking for them though, because I got some other stuff. Like I found those locker shelves when I was looking for the Chromecast, and that was a surprise because those things sell really fast on Amazon. So if anybody sees those at Meijer, they shouldn't have any left, but if you see them at Meijer, grab them. That minivan in front of me is a cab, and all those cabs are really sketchy, including the drivers. And that's why Lyft does so well around here. Well, I don't know about the winter, but in the summer it does well. Because everybody hates calling the cabs. guess what? I'm going by the 5-to-1 store, and I'm not going to stop. I'm going to wait till Friday, Dollar Day. It's back there. Well, let's go fast. So this is a few hours later, and I'm going to find Linda because somebody turned in front of her and then left the scene. I don't know if she can drive her car home or not, but she said there's pretty extensive damage. Because she just has a little bitty car. And while I'm going, I'm going to try to see if I can find the vehicle that turned in front of her. Because she said their back wheel is like really wobbly. She is waiting for the popo. Last week, somebody rear-ended her, but it wasn't anything hard enough to do any damage. But she said it was really loud. It scared her. because there was something going on in front of her, so she slowed down for whatever was going on up ahead, and the person behind her ran right into her. I think that was last week. Maybe it was a week before. So when she called me and said she was in an accident, I'm like, again? I probably shouldn't have said that like that. And it's way too freaking cold to do an accident report. So why would they drive away from the scene? Because that's leaving the scene of an accident is illegal unless maybe they're drunk. Or I guess it's possible they don't have insurance or anything, or the car's not registered or whatever. It's not that difficult to find a damaged vehicle, is it? Or maybe the cops won't even look because, nobody's hurt. Unless Tilly got hurt. I don't know. Can Tilly tell us if she's hurt? So, here is the damage. It's a little car, so that's pretty freaking bad. I haven't even seen the freaking back light was. Even the back is messed up. Chrissy complained about my last video, how I just abruptly stopped it after I went to Walgreens, and I didn't come back out and say, look what I got, or anything like that. I just stopped it. So, I'm putting an end to this one. This is the end. Goodbye. Or, bye.